Leila. Meherta inta wahan sa meno.
I think it's better now.
Suk.
Ow, that hurt. What the fuck? Okay. Bring me back. Back. Ow. Ow. That hurt.
That really hurt, Charlie. Ouch, Charlie.
That really hurt. Oh, that was that a fail or was that?
Alright, how about we
was pretty
switch?
good.
How about we switch and you be on the bottom?
Oh. Alright, what's next? So that was the front bird pose. Is that how you're supposed to say it? Safety first, guys. Safety first. Flying out the window.
The window.
Bring your legs. Oprah.
Hey, Opie.
Bring
You
your
wanna do it with me?
Bring your feet. What are you gonna do it? Let's see if Oprah can do it. She's doing it! Yay!
Good job.
Okay, can you Oprah, move out of the way, please. Bring your feet
Where's my feet go? There.
back here. So on my back.
Yep. And then where's the other part go? I need to see the picture.
Okay, and you're supposed to hold my calves.
The calves.
Yeah. And then
From here?
yeah. Good.
Can you touch the floor with your hands?
No, that would not be safe. Okay, put me down, put me down. That was amazing.
That was good. Good job.
I'm gonna bring my legs here and then bring your legs as further down as you can. And then I'm gonna sit.
Whoa, wait. No. My feet are not flat. My feet need to be flat.
Okay, hold on like this. Yeah?
Yeah, my feet are straight as well.
But they're straight later. They don't start
Alright.
straight.
But
Like,
what I'm saying is...
it's like a leg press.
No, wait, I'm not balanced. Ready?
Oh, you're supposed to hold my calves. So hold my calves and then push them up. As you push them up. Yes! We're doing it.
What next?
Okay, yeah, so slowly push it up. Slowly push up. Slowly straighten your legs. I'm meditating on air. That was good
Wow.
try. Yes.
I'm just glad she didn't go out the window.
That was so good.
Good job.
Wow. Wait, I'm facing.
No, you need to face this way.
Ah. Yeah.
And the first one? Yeah.
Oops. Yeah.
I'm sure we don't have this right. Yep, put your hands down. Hands come down.
Bro, I feel very relaxed.
Yeah?
Yeah, it feels quite relaxing.
Alright, we'll just stay here for the next 30 minutes.
Okay, maybe not that long. Put me down! Ah! Put me down!
No!
What do you mean no?
Maya. Did we get it right? Your hands were straight? Were they straight?
Yeah, they were straight. I think.
They better be.
I think they were straight. Oh, that one looks cool. What's that one? Let's try that.
You're pushing it now. She's pushing it. Love your confidence, huh?
There's so much egg going in this position. No wonder the men do it.
No comment. Come.
Okay, let's go! Woo! Okay. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it. One hand back. One hand back. Come back. Hey guys, it's Han and Shuks.
Now, right now we're in stage 4 of lockdown, quarantining at home out here in Melbourne, Australia. However, that doesn't stop us and stop this crazy one from coming up with all these wacky ideas that she gets us to do. So we got these ideas from Google, TikTok, and found some images of acroflow. Yeah, acroflow.
Acroflow? No, acro yoga.
Oh, acro yoga.
They're called acro yoga. Yeah, so if you are bored, like we usually get, then these challenges are just what you need. So if you wanna laugh and if you wanna try, but stay safe, you know, make sure you warm up beforehand. And yeah.
You say sedenta hey, so I would say sedenta hai.
Sedenta hai.
Sedenta hey.
Yeah.
Mafianta hey. I didn't say mafianta hey. Mafianta hey. I say mafianta hai.
Hey.
Huh?
Hey, come on.